County, New Jersey has issued a snow squall warning for eastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Lehigh County. Miles south of Allentown, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, intense bursts of heavy snow and gusty winds leading to blowing snow and rapidly falling visibility.
They told it as a warning.
Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source, radar and webcams. Impact, travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 36 and 51. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 62. Locations impacted include Emmaus, Quakertown, Percy, Doylestown, Hatboro, Sarvin, Bedminster, Chalfont, Hatfield, East Greenville, Gilman,
They told us a warning.
Fricks, Zionsville, Rickboro, Jerryville, Pipersville, Gardenville, Horsham, and Telford. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden near whiteout conditions.